Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video we are installing this, I don't remember what it's called, but it's for a license plate. If you have bad connections over here, like we do,
Broken
as you
off,
can see everything is
rust.
broken and stuff like that. So we will just install this one. It comes with screws
2 screws and 4
and 4 bolts.
which will be here, and screws here.
So it should be simple.
Pretty straightforward.
Let's do it. Okay, so we took off the license plate and everything. As you can see, it's like rusty over here. And
See,
stuff like
bolt
that.
broken off.
Broken off.
Bolt broken off.
There's nothing you can do much about here.
Yeah, we're just gonna. I think it's gonna be on
You can drill them out and stuff like that, but it's just easier to install.
We're just gonna install.
This thing right here, and it's gonna cover, and this way if something goes wrong you can always remove it, replace it with a new one, and
This
that's
is the
it.
easiest way.
Okay, so we have used some silicone and then just painted with a spray paint over this. Now we will let it dry a little and install it. So we are installing it. Right now I'm using a screw, or you can do whatever you want.
Just gonna mark the place where we need to drill. Hopefully it's usable. Don't move.
Okay, now we can drill.
Can I get a gun?
We're using small screws.
Give me a gun.
Are you not gonna seal them?
Do I have to?
I don't know. I would.
I think it's good. But we should seal. I think we should seal. You're right.
Okay, so we're gonna use some silicone just in case, so the water does not get inside the vehicle. So we left one in, and gonna put the other one in, and the sealant. Same to the other side. Don't do too much.
No, yeah. It's not too much.
So now you can go ahead and install the license plate. Should be easy. So I'm just using a random number license plate. Where are the screws for it?
Okay, you can touch.
Right here.
We install everything back.
You can install these and it should be good. But we are going to install something else, another cover. So it's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna give it a nice look. So guys, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.